Today we're building something special. The Jehuty. The Kotobukiya Zone of the Enders kit that got reprinted recently. I have heard some horror stories about this kit. I am a little bit nervous for that, I'll admit. But I think overall it's gonna be really good. Chat room, check out the amazing illustrations from Yoji Shinkawa. God, these are actually really, really cool. This one especially. That looks so sick. Oh, this is actually a really cool kit so far, chat room. This is very neat. Wait, this actually looks so sick, chat room. Now these are fun legs to build. I like this. These are the best robot legs I've ever put together. These are so sick. 10 out of 10. Chat room, it's time for us to make the cockpit. There aren't very many mechs that just straight up have a wiener on them. And that's what makes Zone of the Enders so perfect. Yeah! I did not know the wiener could move on this. This is crazy. Okay, there we go. We got a little... I guess this is probably its shoulder? Look at him! He's adorable! Listen, camera, if you don't autofocus, I'll kick your ass. Look at him! Cute! Yeah! Jehuty! Look at him, chat room! We got him all finished up. Now we just need to make the stand. Quite a fun kit to put together. I really enjoyed building this. As far as Kotobukiya kits go, it's far from the least frustrating. Just in recent memory, we built the Armored Core White Glint reprint, and that was about 10 times worse to put together than this one was. This one was actually super duper fun to put together. I really enjoy all of the little details. They're very cool, and if you are a Zone of the Enders fan, definitely pick this up. Anubis and Dolores are also getting reprinted as well, which is pretty cool.
I won't miss.
And Chopsulaely, thank you so much for the 4-month sub. So this is a really cool kit. It wasn't as, like I mentioned, it's not as fragile or as bad as some of the White Glint or other Kotobukiya models, but as with every Kotobukiya model, it does have one frustrating aspect that seems unavoidable, which is Kotobukiya's polycaps. They're always a little too frustrating, a little too hard to put together, and there are polycaps to equip the shoulders, the arms, the head, the back piece, both of the legs, and the top and the bottom of the waist. There's a lot of polycaps that are a little difficult to get in all the way or end up being a little too loose, like the shoulders, but just work with them a bit. Something I found that works is to put the polycap into the hole first and then slide the peg on, which is not how it is in the instructions, but at the end of the day, this is a pretty great kit. I'm very excited that I built it, and it came with its own little base, which is awesome. So we're gonna do glamour shots real fast for the thumbnail.